कितें जालें
सो CCBची
इतलो वेळ कित्याक जाता की CCBची इलेक्शनाची हे करपा लिस्ट
No, see, there is a process the party basically follows. We have been going through this process for the past 15 days with the Honorable Chief Minister and the party president. And basically applications of the applicant basically has been basically scrutinized. Still now what happened, final list will come only the day when the withdrawal comes, that will be the final list. So still the process is basically is on. We will be basically, I think, filing nomination on Friday.
So there will be new faces 50% sort of.
See, the process is still going on. That's the reason what I'm trying to say. And till the end of the day of the withdrawal of the listing, till then we will come to know who is basically last, who will be the whose name will be there in the list.
सो अध्यक्षान सांगला 50% न्यू फेसीस दिसतले म्हणून. सो तुमी अग्री आहात तेजेर?
See, party decides. No, I am obeying here as the dictates of the party. We are all together into this.
कितली लिस्ट पण फायनल जाली?
But the list, see, there were prospective candidates who had come today basically to meet the president. This process has been going on for the past 15 days with the Honorable Chief Minister and the party president. The process is still on. The process will be finalized most probably on Friday as far as the nominations are concerned. Still, changes can take place in between nomination and the final day.
We heard that old BJP leaders and Yuva panel had some conflicts because of this.
So there is no conflict with anyone. BJP works as a party. We are all together.
पॅनल घालता सो ते तुमकां
Baba, see, this is a democracy. In democracy, everyone has got a right to feel this thing. And it is not, as far as Mr. Utpal Parikar is concerned, this is not new. Last time also he had floated his pen. So this time also he must be floating his pen. So there is nothing. No, it is see, we have worked for the past 5 years. It is basically for the people to decide. And I am, this time what happened, we are seeking work on the performance of these 5 years of the CCP. No, I don't know what he is campaigning that. You can ask him. No, why are you asking him?
Minister, any impact will be there due to the smart city?
No, see, as far as smart city, as I have told you, what I had said last time, I think I said to see the rainbow, you got to bear with a little bit of rain. So now at least the rain has stopped and the city basically has changed. The people whoever were talking against as far as the works of the start city, I understand people has suffered. People's business also has suffered. I apologize and I'm sorry for what the suffering that they have gone through. But to get something better, you basically have got to bear with a little bit of it.
Minister, there is always talk in the casino also, there is a topic. If you again will be damage for you.
Sorry?
नवं कसिनो येता म्हणून पयर CCBन बोवाळ जालो.
सर तुमच्यानी सांगलें रिलेक्ट जावन येता की तुमी 100 दिसांनी कसिनो आहा ते आपूण पांडवीतले काडटले म्हणून.
ताजो इम्पॅक्ट जातलो.
तूं आसलो हांव इलेक्ट जावन येयला तेन्ना माझे what was my first duty here? Uday Madkekar will be there. Uday Madkekar will be there. After getting elected, after 2 days basically, we started on that process. I still remember what I had said. I am not running away from what I had said. Madkekar, at that time, Madkekar was the mayor. Madkekar, myself and Yatin Parekh, we three went basically to clear as far as near, I think near the footpath. That because beach comes, encroachment comes towards the CCP. We cannot go inside because that doesn't come within our jurisdiction. What is the thing what they did? They basically filed a molestation cases against us. I'm just trying to tell you. So it is wrong to say that I did not do anything. And now as far as this renewal is concerned, I think in 2027 the renewal will be coming for this. That's the time we will see what is to be.
So you will be opposing that.
सो तेन्ना तुमी लायसन्स
Who can say what is happening tomorrow? Okay? So be rest assured.
But the casino-
As I had said, so it is wrong to say that I have done nothing. The first thing I did after getting elected was this.
सो
Because I tried what to do.
पूण फुडें ट्राय करतले तुमी कसिनो हांगच्यान वचपाक
But I am just trying to say, Koi, casino, Ospark and Yopark is nothing to do with me. Is one thing. Second thing, what I am trying to say, you go around, instead of you asking me this question, no, you go around and ask the businessmen of Panjim whether casino being there is affecting there or is giving additional this thing to their business. You ask them. If people of Panjim doesn't want, things will not happen. But you ask them also.
पूण पद्मश्री लोगो
You are asking me too many questions which I am not even aware of. So
ती
please don't-
पणजेकर तिणे अपोज केला आणि बाकीचे आनी कोण येयल्ले पळय तेंच्यांनी अपोज केले
दिसान काडटलो म्हटलं पळय तेन्ना ते चिंतून घेतले पणजेकारांक जाय का नाका ते
अरे तुका हांवें सांगलें पळय वी हॅड स्टार्टेड द प्रोसेस देखून तुका सांगलें न्हू चिंतपाचें ना हांवें कितें उतर दिलें तें हांव पालोंक भायर सरलोलो बट दीस इज वॉट वी गॉट एंड दॅट इज द टायम इफ यू लूक बॅक देर वॉज नो वन स्टँडिंग बिहायंड यू
ओके थँक्यू
थँक्यू सो मच